Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where the Wi-Fi option disappears in Windows 11 or the Wi-Fi icon doesn't show up on the taskbar. When you go to Network and Internet settings, you don't see any Wi-Fi option. And even in Device Manager under Network Adapters, there's no Wi-Fi or wireless adapter listed. If you're facing this problem, follow these steps to bring your Wi-Fi back. First, let's check if the issue is with the Wi-Fi card hardware or just a driver or settings problem. Open the Windows search bar, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. When prompted, click Yes. In the Command Prompt window, type ping 127.0.0.1 and press Enter. If you're getting replies, your Wi-Fi card is fine, and the issue is with the drivers or settings. Now let's fix it. Method 1. Enable the Wi-Fi adapter. Click the Windows icon on the taskbar, open Settings, and go to Network and Internet. Scroll down and click Advanced Network Settings. Under the Network Adapter section, find your Wi-Fi adapter. If it's disabled, click Enable. This should bring your Wi-Fi option and icon back. If it's already enabled, check your keyboard for a Wi-Fi key or switch. Some laptops have one. Press it to re-enable Wi-Fi. If it still doesn't work, move to the next method. Method 2. Restart Wi-Fi services. Right-click the Windows icon and select Run. Type services.msc and click OK. In the Services window, find WLAN Auto Config and double-click it. Set the startup type to Automatic, then click Stop and Start to restart the service. Click Apply and OK. Next, find Network Connections, double-click it, set the startup type to Automatic, and restart the service. Click Apply and OK. Finally, find Network List Service, set it to Automatic, and click OK. Close the Services window and check if the Wi-Fi icon is back. If not, go to the next method. Method 3. Fix using Device Manager. Right-click the Windows icon and select Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. If you don't see your Wi-Fi adapter, click View at the top and select Show Hidden Devices. If it still doesn't appear, click Action and choose Scan for Hardware Changes. Your Wi-Fi adapter should reappear. If it does, right-click it and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers. If that doesn't work, select Browse My Computer for drivers, then click Let me pick from a list. Select one of the Wi-Fi adapters shown and click Next. Once Windows updates the driver, check if the Wi-Fi icon appears. If it still doesn't show, uninstall and reinstall the adapter. Right-click the adapter, choose Uninstall Device, and confirm. After uninstalling, restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. If the problem persists, move to the next method. Method 4. Reset Wi-Fi settings using Command Prompt again. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type the following commands one by one and press Enter after each. ipconfig/flush DNS. These commands reset your network settings to default and can restore the Wi-Fi option. After typing all commands, restart your PC and check if Wi-Fi is back. If it's still missing, go to the final method. Method 5. Network Reset through Settings. Click the Windows icon, open Settings, and go to Network and Internet. Scroll down, click Advanced Network Settings, then select Network Reset. Click Reset Now and confirm with Yes. Windows will restart in 5 minutes. Close the window and restart manually. Once your PC restarts, check the taskbar. Your Wi-Fi icon should be back. After following these methods, your Wi-Fi should work properly again. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick fixes, and comment below which method worked for you.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.